let's go feed the horses. Don't make fun of my nursing clogs. They are the best for the barn because they have grips on them and they're very non-slip and they're very comfy and they're waterproof. Like out of breath walking up this hill. Thought, why take the truck? I can walk today. But holy shit. Yes, I am literally out of breath walking up that hill. What the hell? And I gotta go find the horses. Oh, there's Ginger, yay! The cows are out. Look how pretty it is outside. This is like my favorite time of day to come. There's Ginger. There we go. Walking out. Ginger's rolling. She sees us. Hey, pretty girl. We gotta, like she has a oh, this is probably gonna get flagged because I said that. She's got a big horsefly on her. Here come the boys. I know, the flies are so bad. Oh gosh, these flies. Nothing is working for these flies. I'm so sorry, guys.